Sorry, I stopped the video, guys. I stopped the video on purpose. I stopped the video on purpose. You know why?
Why?
Because I was putting my phone in airplane mode. I had to put my phone on airplane mode. So I can't call nobody. Yeah, I need to put on airplane mode so I can't call nobody. Whew. This is relaxing. Okay. What's this? Armrest.
That's a button to move the armrest. It's loose, it just don't work.
Excuse me. Alright, I'm just gonna put the arms up. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. What is a truck doing down there? It's my first time being on the airplane in a long time. So where should I set my phone at to record the video?
I just have to wait until we get in the air. They're trying to record takeoff too. So you can't use this until we get in the air.
Yeah, I know.
If you're just beginning to join us, please feel free to utilize any of the open overhead bins for your larger roller bags. Once again, that's larger roller bags for the overhead bins. Thank you.
How do I put more than one video together?
So I'm not sure.
Alright. Woo! So, our plane isn't moving yet. Our plane's not moving yet. So, our plane isn't moving. Okay. Alright, so it hasn't taken off yet. So it isn't moving, but it will. Whew. I need to hydrate myself. Whew.
So all of these things are closed or full. So the only spots we have left
Ooh,
is
stinking off. Guess I'm gonna eat some of my pretzel bites. Guess I'm gonna eat some of my Auntie Anne's pretzel bites. Guess I'm gonna eat my pretzel bites to pass some time. Ooh, these pretzel bites are so good. But still, I like the big pretzels better. But the pretzel bites are good though. Yeah, but Auntie Anne's they was out of the big cinema pretzel, so I just had to get the cinema pretzel bites.
So there's a spot up there for your bag.
It's better than I thought.
There's no room in here. It's full. But we got a spot up there where you put
Look, this isn't bad then. These aren't bad than I thought it was. And that's the new airport we came out of. Y'all probably can't see that. Yeah. These pretzel bites ain't as bad as I thought it was. Ooh. Oh. So these are the Auntie Anne's pretzel bites that Auntie Anne's pretzel bites that I just got from the airport. So I just got this from the airport on our airplane. is my favorite thing to do.
What's that?
Licking the cinema myself. Woo. But I ain't gonna lie, I do lick the cinema by itself.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to provide an update, maintenance is taking care of a small issue. The pilot went out there to make sure it gets taken care of. We may be waiting on paperwork for just a little bit, but once we have any updates to provide, we will do so for you. In the meantime, thank you for your patience and thanks for choosing to fly with us. We look forward to being in Houston just as much as you guys do. Thank you.
Flight deck from Cap speaking. Welcome aboard United Flight 320 service into Houston. Once quick 52 minutes en route. Overall, expecting kind of a choppy ride. We have a little bit of a smooth air cruise, but the air cruise segment's pretty short today since it's a short flight. Weather down in Houston. Winds are out of the north at about 10 miles an hour. Good visibility. Mostly clear skies. Temperature just about 93 degrees. Once everyone get up to their on time gate assignment as well as the weather. But for now, as please sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. We're going to be pushing back here just about 5 minutes, just waiting for our maintenance just address a minor maintenance issue. And just now we're waiting for the paperwork to go through. So that should take just about 5 minutes, so we push it back. Still anticipated to be into Houston on time. Walk to work.
Let's see. We have these.
At this time, we're almost ready to go, so please put away your carry-on items, including large electronics like laptops. Be sure that items you place under the seat in front of you fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets at this time. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a bucket or held. If you're sitting in an exit row, please unplug all devices from the outlets.
So when can we?
At this time, please double check that
So
your
when
seatbelts
can
are
we
fastened.
put this
Bring your seats up. Put away your tray tables and video monitors.
Wait.
You heard him just saying. What you trade tables? They gonna let us know when we're
We about to go up above the clouds. Woo. That's why I love airplanes.
Flight attendants,
you
please
know-
arm doors for
because you
departure and
know,
cross
I
track,
ain't
verify
scared of
strap,
the
stand by for all call.
What you scared of heights?
That's the only height that I'm, you know, that's the only height that I ain't, Whew. I'm only scared of heights when you're outside. Wait. The only time I like heights is when you're inside, you know. And we're inside on the airplane. And we're on the airplane, so we're inside. So I like airplanes better. I like airplanes better. Amusement park rides. It's only just speed and heights. Those are the
This plane go faster than it, right?
I say only speed on amusement park rides, you know. Whew. Guess we're flying to Texas. And look at the window. And look at the window. I'm just sitting by the window. Ooh. Look at all that stuff down there. We about to be up all the way up there. And then it's going.
Welcome to United Flight 320 with destination to Houston. My name is Gregory, and I'll be your purser on today's flight. We'd like to thank our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute and pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along.
Oh, we got a safety card.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt while it's tied across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is on. Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments of the forward cabin, and 2 are in ceiling compartments out of the overwing exits.
Hey, why are we
There are
going
also
backwards?
4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs.
Alright, we're going.
As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat,
The
remember
airplane
they
is
may be
moving.
behind you. If you must evacuate the
airplane is
aircraft,
moving.
exit path lights
It's going
on or near the
backwards.
floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth.
Nice.
Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps.
I can't
Oxygen
reach.
is flowing even if the bag is not inflated. Put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event that oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remember to remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it so the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. As a reminder, smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon, so please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, fasten your seatbelt, and return your headrest to its original position. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated. We'd like to thank you again for choosing to fly with us today. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air.
not gonna be more than an hour. We about to take off. Look, I'm gonna record. Oh, the sun is that way. I don't wanna. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera. The sun is facing that way. So the sun's going down. Whew. I would just put me on some sunscreen if I was out there. It looks darker now because we're not facing the sun. Whew. This is my first time being on the airplane in a long time. In 2024, never in 2023, never in 2022, but not even since 2021, and it's 2024. Come on. Ooh. Quick. Ooh, okay. Watch, we about to take a bus. We about to go. We about to be in the sky. The airplane is gonna fly. We're gonna be in. That sound. Wait, me and Grandma T. When we drove.
Flight attendant, please be seated for departure.
When we drove to Houston, that route was so long. When we drove to Houston, we even had to go to Baton Rouge. It was so long. Yeah. Jelly. Whew. It's driving. First it has to drive, then it has to fly, and then it keeps on flying through the sky. So it's moving, but it's not flying in the sky yet, but it's moving. Flying to Texas. I don't know how long we're gonna be in Texas. 3 days.
2 days. Well, you count today, but today we get to the night.
So we're gonna be in Houston, Texas for